Best deals. Craft lattes, cappuccinos, and macchiatos with ease using these smart machines, which creates the perfect balance of hot, dense, and fluffy foam. Enjoy cafe-quality beverages in the comfort of your home. All the product links are given in the description. 1. Mocha Pot. Simple to create the perfect cup of coffee, whether you are in the mood for a strong espresso or a smooth latte. Enjoy great taste and personalize your coffee experience with no fuss. Made with high-quality aluminum, the Mocha Pot is built to last. It's designed to withstand the demands of your busy life, while still delivering the best coffee possible. The sleek and compact design of the Mocha Pot makes it the perfect addition to any kitchen. It's also easy to take with you on the go, so you can enjoy a delicious cup of coffee wherever you are. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Espresso Coffee Machine. Foaming nozzle foaming system with adjustable steam emission. Automatic preparation of espresso, standby function and removable tank, to make coffee usage very convenient. Its big advantage is the possibility of removing the metal base, which will certainly help to keep clean. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Coffee Machine. Compact fully automatic coffee maker with 5 grinder settings, 20 cm wide with choice of espresso, cafe creme, latte macchiato and cappuccino. Ideal contact time between water and coffee for flavor optimization. Anti-scratch stainless steel drip tray, a clean and compact machine. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Coffee Brewer. Made from premium grade stainless steel and an extra tough borosilicate glass carafe that has level marking and does not break easily. Coffee press has that classic coffee maker appeal, making it a beautiful gift for any coffee lover. Coffee pot is fitted with a superior dual mesh filtration system and ensures little to no grinds in your brew. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Espresso Coffee Machine. Featuring a robust 20-bar high-pressure pump, our coffee maker ensures that your coffee grounds are expertly extracted. The integrated pressure gauge allows you to fine-tune your brewing process for optimal results. Craft lattes, cappuccinos, and macchiatos with ease using the steam wand, which creates the perfect balance of hot, dense, and fluffy foam. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Kettle. The cool handle and steel walls prevent accidental burns. The 360 degrees rotating base allows for easy positioning. The kettle turns on with a simple button and turns off automatically when the liquid boils. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Espresso Machine. Experience the magic of 20-bar high-pressure brewing that guarantees rich, flavorful coffee with a luscious creamer layer, ensuring every sip is a delight for your taste buds. Coffee Machine brews your favorite coffee in just 25 seconds. One-touch brewing blends simplicity and perfection, perfect for busy mornings or on-the-go coffee lover. No fuss, fresh coffee at your fingertips. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Coffee Maker. 3-in-1 coffee maker, brews espresso, latte, and cappuccino, featuring milk frothing for added versatility. One-touch operation, easily switch between espresso, latte, and cappuccino with a single touch button for both small and big cups. Dishwasher safe components, conveniently clean the 700 ml milk tank and 1200 ml water tank in the dishwasher. Powerful pressure, operates at 15 bars for a rich and flavorful coffee taste. Advanced technology, equipped with flowmeter and temperature control to ensure the right amount of coffee at the correct temperature. It's thoughtfully designed for coffee lovers, making it an ideal gift. Automatic coffee maker allows you to enjoy your favorite coffee with simple touch of a button. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Coffee Maker allows you to enjoy your favorite coffee with simple touch of a button. Just choose your favorite coffee on the LCD panel and create the perfect espresso shot, hot cappuccino or latte. Achieve smooth and consistent coffee with the metal porter filter designed for thin grind coffee powder, ensuring a grit-free experience. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Mocha Pot. Experience delightful flavor in your morning coffee. You'll be surprised by the rich and authentic Italian coffee you can make in your own home using a mocha pot. The heat-resistant handle provides complete protection for your hands and the finger grip ensures you have better hold of the pot. The lid on the top can be left open while pouring the coffee so you are not startled by the lid closing halfway through. It's strong and durable that lasts long after times of use. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Espresso machine. Prepare soft and thick milk cream in just a few seconds to delight you with a cappuccino just like the one from the bar. Try it with a dusting of cocoa for an even more intense taste, the incomparable taste of freshly ground coffee. Enjoy all the intense aroma and flavor of freshly ground coffee beans thanks to the integrated professional coffee grinder. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Coffee maker. One perfect cup of rich, full-bodied coffee, herbal green tea. Brew the classic way in 4 easy steps with 350 ml coffee decoction maker. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Coffee maker. Brew a standard size espresso or customize the cup size precisely to suit your taste. The cup size can be adjusted from 20 to 70 ml for espresso and 70 to 120 ml for lingo. This capsule espresso machine heats up fast and the powerful 20 bars pressure creates flavorful espresso topped with rich creamer. The water tank easily removes for easy filling and cleaning at the sink, and since it holds up to 650 ml you can brew multiple cups without refilling. Lift the handle, insert your capsule and press the handle back down to brew. After brewing, the power automatically shuts off in 4 minutes for your peace of mind. Comes with metal body with touch control buttons. The capsule container, the drip tray, and the water tank are easily removable to facilitate quick and simple cleaning. Achieve a consistent and balanced espresso using the right amount of ground coffee, gives that classic touch and helps you maintain optimum temperature for the perfect brewed coffee. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Espresso coffee maker. 15 bars high pressure with 1100 watts provide fast and stable extraction of espresso rich in cream. Analog dial thermometer lets you to control the temperature for optimal coffee extraction. 2 separate thermostats adjust the temperature of water and milk foam separately to create great taste of coffee and to create rich and creamy milk foam. Allows you to adjust the foam and steam levels to customize a variety of delicious espresso-based coffee. Movable stainless steel frothing wand for convenient use. Achieve a consistent and balanced espresso using the right amount of ground coffee. Use 7 grams of coffee powder to make 30 milliliters of espresso. Comes with an elegant design, stainless steel body and easy to clean. Includes coffee tamper, coffee potter filter, 1.5 L water tank. Coffee made at home with a coffee maker can taste fresher than coffee from a cafe. You can try different ingredients like chocolate, cinnamon, and cream to create your own unique coffee drinks. Coffee machines can create a more relaxed and sociable atmosphere in the workplace. Coffee can also help boost energy and mental alertness. Having a coffee maker in the workplace can be a great way to show your staff that you care. Bean-to-cup coffee machines are easy to use and clean, allows you to create delicious cafe-quality drinks at home. You can follow recipes online or be your own barista and discover new ways to improve your homemade beverages. Product link is given in the 14th link.